Hello guys, welcome to Teach Mathematics. Now this video is for differentiation formulas in fast revision. Okay, so can we start right now? Okay, basic differentiation formula, right? So our first formula is what? Okay, differentiation dk upon dx. What is k? K is constant. Okay, so now any constant no x respect to x differentiation is always zero. Any constant with respect to x, z, any terms with respect to x, any term with respect to x constant, we get answer is zero. Now differentiation with respect to x रेस्ट टू x. ओके, तो जहाँ पे ये यहाँ पे जो है उसी के सापेक्ष में यहाँ पे हम विकलन करेंगे, डिफ्रेंशिएशन करेंगे, तो इसका आंसर 1 आएगा. राइट, तो क्लियर. सेकंड फॉर्मूला, फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला. नाउ थर्ड फॉर्मूला, any constant into x, and now differentiation equations. Okay, so constant will be go out and then differentiation respect to x. Okay, and then 1. So answer is 1, right, in this case. Okay, and now the last formula is what? X raised to n with respect to x. Okay, x raised to n with respect to x. So we can formalize what? N x in n minus 1. Right, degree of n minus 1, degree of 1 is decreased, and then into n degree. Okay, clear. Differentiation of trigonometric function. D by dx sin x is what? Cos x. This is formula. Okay, d by dx cos x is equal to minus sin x. Whenever cos is there, the sin is minus, and sin is there, cos sign is positive. Okay, d by dx tan x is equal to sec square x. D by dx cot x is equal to minus cot x cosec square x. Whenever c is there, cot x cos x, first term is what? C. Whenever any differentiation problem, c is there and differentiation d by dx, always answer negative term. Okay, just for your knowledge. Okay, now d by dx sec x is there. So what is differentiation? D by dx sec x into tan x, right? And d by dx cosec x, whenever c is there on negative sign, right? And then minus cosec x into cot x. Now fast revision. D by dx sin x is equal to cos x. D by dx cos x is equal to minus sin x. D by dx tan x is equal to sec square x. D by dx cot x is equal to minus cosec square x. D by dx sec x is equal to sec x into tan x. D by dx cosec x is equal to minus cosec x into cot x. Now differentiation of log and exponential, right? These two terms you know very well about it. Okay, d by dx e raised to x is equal to what? Differentiation of e raised to x is simple, e raised to x. Okay, now d by dx ln x. Okay, ln x means was what? Is equal to log based e. Okay, what is d by dx ln x is equal to 1 upon x. Okay, d by dx a raised to x is equal to a raised to x log a. Now this is also this. Okay, now a is equal to e, then d by dx e raised to x is equal to e raised to x log e base. This is 1, and then e raised to x. So this formula is very important for you. This formula is very important for you. And then this is also important. D by dx x raised to x cos 1 plus ln x. We can derive it. Can we derive it? Okay, now we derive it. Okay, please attention here. Okay, now x raised to x is equal to y, right? Now take a both side log. Taking both side log. Now log x into x is equal to log y, right? Differentiation both side. Differentiation both side. Now यहाँ पे इंटू का रूल लगेगा. सो x इंटू 1/x प्लस 1 इंटू log x, right, into 1/y y dash. What is y? X raised to x. Okay, x into multiplication x plus x log x, right? X will be cancelled and then x raised to x. Clear? इसके डेरिवेटिव की जरूरत नहीं है आपको, लेकिन फिर भी मैंने करा दिया. दोनों साइड log लेके आप सॉल्व करेंगे तो आ जाएगा उसका डेरिवेटिव. नाउ दिस इज फॉर फॉर्मूला x d by dx x raised to x is equal to x raised to x 1 plus ln x, right? D by dx log x based a, right? This is based e and then base a 1/x into 1/ln a, right? This is formula is for e raised to x and ln x. This formula is log a raised to x is 1/x into 1/ln a. D by dx x raised to x is what? X raised to x cosma 1 plus ln x. D by dx a raised to x is equal to a raised to x log a. Now clear? Okay. Now differentiation of inverse trigonometric function. Now d by dx sin inverse x is equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. D by dx cos inverse x is equal to minus under root 1 minus x square. Now c is there negative, c is there negative, c is there negative. Now d by dx tan inverse x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. D by dx cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. D by dx sec inverse x is equal to 1 upon modulo x under root x square minus 1. D by dx cos inverse x is equal to cosec inverse x is equal to minus 1 upon x under root x square minus 1. These are also important here. Product rule. D by dx f of x into g of x is equal to f dash of x into g of x plus f of x into g dash of x, right? Clear? D by dx f of x upon g of x is equal to f dash of x first का डेरिवेटिव into g of x minus second का डेरिवेटिव into f of x यानी कि f of x into g dash of x upon g of x square. Now chain rule is what? F dash whenever d by dx f of g of x is equal to f of g of x is equal to f dash g of x into g dash of x. Now this is called chain rule, and first derivative rule is what? F dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h, right? These are also connected to limit. Limit ये आपने पढ़ा होगा ना, limit. These are also connected. This formula is connected to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h, right? Clear? Product rule, chain rule, first derivative rule, clear? Okay, now this is your first question. Cos x raised to cube into sin square cos x raised to 5. Now this is called y, and then this term and this term u is equal to cos x cube, v is equal to sin x raised to 5, and then uv term multiplication formula we get. What is multiplication? First का derivative. Now what is first derivative? Y is equal to what is first derivative? This is chain rule apply. Whenever cos minus sine x raised to cube into 3x square, right, प्लस इंटू सेकंड टर्म ऐसे ही आपको रखना है, राइट। अब सेकंड का डेरिवेटिव फर्स्ट ऐसे ही cos x रेज टू क्यूब इंटू 2 sin x raised to 5. Sin is what? Cos x raised to 5 and 5 raised to 5 x raised to 4. Now this is your answer, right? We can show you. Okay, इसमें नहीं है answer. Okay, now this is your differentiation the function with respect to x. इसको x के सापेक्ष से वो अगला वाला तो हो जाएगा ना, right? Okay, now this sin ax plus ये तो सिंपल ही है y raised to a sorry sin ax plus b, right? Sin is cos, right? Ax plus b and chain rule, this का derivative a, right? This is your answer. Clear? Done? Okay, let's bye. Okay, sorry, now दिस इज योर फॉर्मूला, ऑल फॉर्मूला इन डेरिवेटिव। ये तो अभी स्टार्ट ही नहीं हुआ है, हम स्टार्ट करेंगे इसको। डेरिवेटिव के सारे फॉर्मूला हम रिवाइज कर लेते हैं। dx by dx is what? 1. d by dx ax is equal to what? X raised to 1 is 1 and then a is constant. D by dx s raised to n is what? N x n minus 1. D by dx cos, whenever c is there negative sign, minus sin x. D by dx sin x is equal to cos x. D by dx tan x is equal to sec square x. D by dx cot x is equal to minus cos square x. Now d by dx sec x into is equal to sec x into tan x. D by dx cosec x is equal to minus cosec x into cot x. D by dx ln x is equal to 1 upon x. E raised to x. D by dx e raised to x. D by dx a raised to x is equal to ln a raised to x. Now sin inverse, tan inverse, cot inverse. Okay, clear? Now this is your integral formula. This is your our lectures formula सारे, ये सारे इंटीग्रल फॉर्मूला है। ये सब तो इंटीग्रेशन का, ये तो अभी चला ही नहीं। ओके, तो you can all okay, so next also this question will solve it. Y is equal to 10. What is y dash is equal to sec square 2x plus 3, right? And then chain rule 2. This is your answer, right? So simple है डेरिवेटिव। प्लीज ये वीडियो देखना, सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल। ओके, बाय, थैंक यू।